Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. Today we're gonna do something a little different. We're going to have a comfy, cozy time, and a fan of mine gave me some Pokemon cards, and I'm going to unbox them for you. So I'm not going to pretend like I know much about Pokemon these days. When I was a little girl, I played with them and had like a big card collection. So I know the characters and whatnot. However, I haven't had some of these in a long time. So we're gonna open them up together. First, I will read on the package, I guess, but I will show you first. You can see that. Ooh. It is Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames. Raging flames forged in darkness. Red hot embers illuminate the pitch black night and sparks flare into an inferno as Charizard X surges forth with newfound powers of darkness. The glittering terrestrial phenomenon imbues some Pokemon X like Tyranitar, Eiscue, and Vespiquen with different types than usual, while Dragonite X and Greendent X show mastery of their own inner strengths. Not to be outdone, Reverum X, Metal X, and more Pokemon promise to change the course of battle in the Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames expansion. Expand your collection with this booster bundle containing 6 booster packs. Ooh, let's open them up. I don't want to hurt the box, it's so pretty. Oh, so it slides open. Look at how nice that is, it's so pretty. And then it just opens up, whoop, like that. Open sesame. You know, it's not open sesame, it's open sesame. Real game changer when you recognize that. Okay, back to the Pokemon. So we're going to open it up. It has the Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames, and inside we have 6 packages that we get to open. There are 60 cards. Holy Hannah Banana. Let's open these up. So first one. Oh, well, I'm struggling a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay, so I've got a Glimmet. Poison Shard. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now poisoned. Glimmet. We've got Tadbulb with Thunder Jolt. This Pokemon also does 10 damage to itself. I remember that. When I remember those little, I had the Pokemon Game Boy, and if you did a specific attack with an electric or an electric Pokemon, you would also get some damage. This is a Lechonk. It's a piggy, and it's really cute, and I feel like it's my spirit animal. This is a disarming voice. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now confused. We have a Barboach, which is hide. You have to flip a coin. If it's heads during your opponent's next turn, prevent all damage from effects and effects of attacks done to this Pokemon. I don't know if I understand that one, but that's okay. This is our Barboach. Ooh, I have a Wug Trio. An Entwining Entrapment. During your opponent's next turn, the defending Pokemon can retreat. Kangaskhan. Headbutt and Spike Draw. I feel like that is a good card. I don't know. It has a nice star on the side, HP 130. I think it's a good card. You can let me know if I'm wrong. This is a Wishcash. Raging and Rocking. For each energy attached to this Pokemon, discard the top card of your opponent's deck. I don't know what that means. Ooh, I have another Wishcash, but this one has a little foil on it, and it's all pretty. I don't know if that means anything. It's the exact same card, only one is shiny and one is not. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this one has like this shimmery pattern and this one does not. There's a big part of me that thinks this one's a cool card. Ooh, I've got a couple other really fun cards. So I have a Lampent with a Flare and a Luring Fireball, which I will switch in one of my opponent's benched Pokemon to the active spot. And this one's also shimmery. I like it. And then I have Scissor. Also, no, it's not that shimmery. Maybe it's just a regular card. No, it seems shimmery. So this is Punishing Scissors. This attack does 50 more damage for each of your opponent's Pokemon in play that has an ability. And cut. And a basic energy card. So that was package number 1. Moving on to package number 2. I'm going to just kind of go through these a little bit more quickly. We have a Rowlet, a Bunnelby, a Smoliv, a Pidgey, a Camerupt, a Clawdesir, a Granbull. Ooh, another shiny one. A Whopper, and it spits poison. Chewy. And another shiny. Ooh, 2 more shiny ones. Sorry, I got really excited. I have a Lechonk. Oh, another Lechonk. Really is my spirit animal. And then I have a Clayton. Another basic energy card. I feel like I'm getting some pretty good Pokemon cards. Maybe you could let me know in the comments. Package number 3. We have a Squovet, a Wiglet, a Palpitoad, a Zigzagoon, a Floatzel, an Umbreon, a Lapras, ooh, and another, oh, I have a couple more. I think this is just how it goes. I get some shiny ones and not shiny ones. So here are my shiny ones. I have a Serena. She looks like a bad bitch. Wow, this one looks really, really fancy. It's a Palafin. And then I have a Thundurus. And a basic energy. Package number 4. Oops. Let's go the other way. We have a basic energy. We have a Reva-Room X. Wow, this one seems pretty special. A Pawniard. A Pokemon League Headquarters Stadium Trainer. A Belly Bolt. A Grumpig. Sometimes I feel like a grump pig. A Malamar. A Cleffa. A Larvitar. A Vavroom. And a Combi. How cute. Second last package. I think I realized that maybe the one that has the X on it is the most special, which I did get one in this package, so. We have a Scyther, a Melton, a Charcadet, another Pawniard. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Pawniard. Masquerain. Oh, I didn't show you. Whoops. masquerade, gumshoes, poopy tar, electric, shuckle, an entai, and another basic energy. I think this is the water. Really fun. I'm enjoying this. Oop, another basic energy. Last one. Getting better at opening them. Let's do it back to front. Okay, we have a basic energy, lightning bolt. We have a toxicity. We have a zigzagoon. And this one is more, has like that foily look to it. So I think it's better than the one that I had before. I have a lit wick. A flamingo. Aw, how cute. An electros. A trevenant. Tad bulb. Hondor. This looks like a doggy. Then a toad school or toad school. And last but not least, inky or inky or inky. Yeah, so that is my unboxing of my Pokemon cards. The Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames Booster Bundle. So I seem to have gotten one really nice card. I believe. Can't seem, not sure which one it is. Oh well. All I know is I definitely have a good card in there, in one of these piles. Let me know if you would like me to do more unboxing or more, yeah, like different types of videos like this while I wear pantyhose. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Mwah.